How to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see a quick and easy way to fix if your Rockstar Games Launcher is not working. So the very first thing you want to do here is you're going to have to go to the search down below and then search for virus and threat protection. Open it up and it will open up your Windows Security tab. Now, from the settings, you want to find your virus and threat protection and add an exclusion on the Rockstar Games Launcher. So go over to virus and threat protection settings, manage settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, go to exclusions, tap on add or remove exclusion, tap on yes, and then from here you want to click on add an exclusion, and then from here you can select a folder or a file. So I'll just click on file. Then you want to go over to your C drive. Then from there, you want to go over to program 86 and find the Rockstar Games folder over here. And then you can add this file over here, the exe file. All right, so once you have done that, the next thing you can try to do is, in most cases, it will work properly. But if that didn't work, you're going to go to this PC and then go to C drive, program 86, and then find the Rockstar Launcher, Rockstar Games folder. Right click on it, and then we're going to have to rename it. Tap on rename, and you just have to add a underscore right at the front, and then hit enter. Now it will rename the folder, and after doing so, you can just go ahead and delete the shortcut from here. So let's just delete the shortcut and go over here and then search for Rockstar Launcher. Go to open file location, then again right click on it and go to open file location. It will take you directly over here. Now just right click on it, go on show more option, tap on send to, and then from here you can just create a shortcut on desktop, or you can just click on create shortcut and you can create a shortcut on the desktop from there. So once that is done, you should be good to go. Now it should start working normally. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.